अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तो गाइस आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं असैसिन क्रीड मिराज का एक और गेम प्ले। तो बगैर किसी शोर शराबे के इस गेम प्ले को शुरू करते हैं।
Servants, prepare a glass of date juice on ice and serve it with a plate of honeyed bread and pomegranates. Then prepare the bath salts. I am utterly beat. Paradise is where you find it. That old fool tinkering with his worthless ancient disc and helpless patience. Bah!
Of course, Sayyidati.
The real answers are in books. They are always in books. Am I not right?
Always, Sayyidati.
When I get that book translated, then we'll see who is the real head of the order.
As you wish, Sayyidati. Pay attention to your master, dog!
Zahra thought that strange book would get their great work functioning.
Damn you! That's it! Pulling away!
You are a new face.
My name is Basim. New to Baghdad, but not to trade. I deal mostly in fine antiques and collectibles.
You must have a good eye for detail then. What have you brought me, Basim?
You know what I brought.
A man not to be toyed with. Come, show it to me. Exquisite. Ever seen something like this? So perfect. So delicate.
No, but I am surprised that you have not.
I do have a penchant for them. When I was but a child, my sisters and I would tie our hair with sticks, adorn them with stone. I pretended they were the rarest gems. We had nothing, but we felt that we had it all. There are many reasons why people see me. For advice, a taste of power, and most often, to win favor.
As a fellow collector, I have heard much about you from others. Your extravagance, your taste. I wish to learn.
Did they say I was lucky? I loathe the word. When I first arrived in Baghdad, I was one of many seeking my fortune. Now, I have even the East wrapped around my fingers. I clawed my way here when many gave up, preferring to spare their nails. But me? I don't mind a few scratches, a bit of blood.
Surely there have been connections. The people you met that helped you get to where you are.
No matter what others say, you only have yourself. No one else. Everything prospers when family is harmonious. Family? The word has no meaning. The notions, even more so. Only the self hears the deepest whispers of your soul and accepts you whole.
No one lives alone.
But we die lonely. In the end, we are absolutely, simply, truly alone.
Jinni! Again? I should return to the Bureau.
The treasurer! She's dead! The guards! Help! Someone kill the treasurer! Won't take long!
Sure.
Come by! He won't get away! Go! Right! We will find you! You hear that, bloodbag? Time to get wet! The lies? Keep your guard up!
It looks like the handiwork of a trained assassin.
Must be some faction in the Round City. Or one of those jealous broods in Sharqiyya.
These killings were too subtle for mercenaries.
No matter. Once I understand how the mechanism works, I will prove myself to Al-Bahamud.
In here, Lackwit.
You are new, aren't you? I don't recognize you. They promised you gold when you volunteered, yes? No matter. What you are about to behold surpasses all worldly riches. Don't be afraid. Are you afraid? This is my great work. I call it Aruah. It will take you on a journey to another realm. Why did the first ones leave this world behind, filled with fools, I wonder, and make so few of me? We called this the House of Wisdom, but its foundations are unsound. For beneath the House of Wisdom lies the Dungeon of Ignorance, and upon such dark secrets we build our philosophies. Science is the noblest purpose. Knowledge is the greatest power.
No.
No? Then what?
justice.
This may be the place. It may be here where lies absolute knowledge. It is not how I remember it. Behind the doors, it looked brighter.
But in the end, all we see is darkness. I need to get out of here. Get back to David. No question about it. Fazil was neck-deep in the Order. The scholar's notes. He believes in these ancient beings, the masters of memory.
Open this door at once!
Who is there?
It is the astrologer. I bring the astrolabe Nimlot requested.
Nimlot is busy. You must wait.
I have other matters to attend to. If Nimlot wants the astrolabe, he must see me now.
Fine, fine. Keep your temper.
None of them are the man I seek.
You think they'll be on time today? How late
Father?
today?
Who are you to call me father? I have no offspring. Spare me your delusions.
Is that my father suffering such torments? No, this is not my father.
Thank you. I feared it was the end for me.
You can show your gratitude by telling me where I can find Nimlot.
He locked himself in the tower. But to pass through, you will need the key. It is in the captain's pocket.
Even Hamza was at it again this morning. You can't. Someone should get him to back off. Right. We'll be ready if called upon.
What?
Don't worry, I'm here if anything does turn up. What?
Come out! Let's bathe in...
Weapons out. We've got company.
Murdering jackal! I'll flay you when I find you. Hey! Fighting with the Amir of Baghdad back in 38. Got a spear in the back. Scurrying in the dark, dodging guard. Do you ever shut up? You and that fool, Nadine. Wait. Dogs meet your death! His blade dances like fire! Where is it? Shit! What's going...
Nice to feel useful. And we are useful here. I think. Nothing to distract me from my today here.
We move fast like a camel.
Candy, we must all see it. Truly, the trader is in fire.
Nimlot is in the tower, and he alone knows where my father is located.
Hold on. Hold on.
Astrologer, you are early, and I am busy with other... Let me correct myself. You, Basim, are on time.
Where is my father?
Where is my father? I could ask the same of you.
What are you blathering on about? You think you can use my father as a hostage to save your own life?
That was never the plan.
Then what?
To watch you suffer as I slowly slit the old pig's throat.
Why involve him? Your fight is with me.
Indeed! You truly have no idea, do you? Let me demystify it for you. A father for a father.
Your father.
What was it you called him? Al-Ghul?
You are his son.
Was Basim. I was his son.
Killing Al-Ghul was an act of justice.
Ah, yes. The Hidden Ones and their moral high ground. You believe so fiercely in your spotless justice. But what of his Haq ibn Khalid? You only know him as a memory. And yet here you are, ready to kill anyone standing in your way.
Your father was a monster.
Your kind never pause to consider the consequence of your deeds, do you? You think of justice as an end in itself, yet justice is consequence.
Where is my father?
As I said, you will kill anyone standing in your way. I stand in your way.
Father.
I know exactly what you're thinking. Can you reach me before I reach him? Of course, if my dagger parts his flesh even as yours parts mine, for me, it will be worth it.
Speak your final words.
Some months ago, after many years away, I returned home to Baghdad to see my father one last time. But as we were merely starting to rekindle our ties, you stole that from me. My chance to show him I had made something of myself.
Your father deserved death. You deserve death.
Who are you to decree a man's death, Basim ibn Ishaq?
Your prize. Choke on it.
Father. Father.
Are you looking for your father, young man? I do not think he is here. I do not like this place. I must go. You do not smile much, young man. That thing. Where did you get it?
In Samara.
Why has Samara changed so much? It is very dark. I do not like it.
What do you remember of Samara? Of home?
I have lived here all my life. But now, the Khalifa says that I must go to another place.
तो गाइस आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट